Every flower is unique and molded by hand. That's a really important part. Every woman is unique. How they adapt to their circumstances is a unique expression. I was explaining this to my daughter the other day. So like in your dreams, symbolism comes up, but you also have your own experience. So each person's going to have a different interpretation of those experiences. And I think the power of art is to be able to reach everyone across different experiences. This society, whether we personally experience the violence or not against ourselves as women, it's there. You know, it's a background that we live our lives. Flowers are often a symbol for women for sort of obvious visual reasons, but we also use them for memorial. We use flowers for, celebration. It's interesting how flowers are connected in our society, and I just wanted to bring all of that in.